In this video, I will be showing you how to edit a visual after generating it in Napkin AI. Let's get started. I have this content creation workflow list and a diagram that Napkin AI generated for me. I want to make the diagram title match my list, so I'll click on the title, Video Creation Process, and rename it to Content Creation Workflow to keep my document consistent. Now, let's dive into editing the individual parts of the graphic. I'll click on the Research step to bring up the Edit menu. To get more control over the elements, I'm going to select Ungroup Visual. A confirmation window appears letting me know that I can now move elements freely. Once I hit Ungroup, every part of the diagram becomes an independent, movable piece. Now that it's ungrouped, I can easily change the colors. It's incredibly simple to customize the look to match your specific brand or preference. Beyond colors, I can also change the style of the shapes. I'll click on the production icon and open the style settings using the pencil icon. Here, I can adjust the line thickness or change the corner shape. For this one, I'll make the edges more rounded for a softer look. Finally, I'll give this section a fresh light blue color and update the scripting icon to a bright yellow to make it really pop, and there you have it. That's the complete process of editing a visual after generating it in Napkin AI.